2002 ML320 Mercedes. Original plug for the trailer is located right here. So this would be original harness that's attached to the back wiring for the back tail lights. You would have to purchase the original plug-in trailer hitch wiring from Mercedes in order to go in here, or you can just locate it yourself and tap into it with one of those aftermarkets. Just fine. Put some clips, and it's located behind this driver's side panel. I don't want to remove the whole thing, so I kind of just put something underneath to hold it so I can work, and put some pliers in there and clip into the wiring. There is another wire. I'm gonna find it right here. It's reachable through this opening. It's this portion right here. Some people said this was probably for the power brakes for the trailer, so I'm not really sure. So that wire harness, it's just sitting behind there, but in order to reach that, they actually recommend that you take the bumper off, and it would pop. This sits right there, but it would go through the vent on the side. Then you would bring it through here, and then underneath to your trailer hitch back here. I am just tapping into here. I'm gonna bring the wire underneath this section and connect it right there. So it's all gonna be covered with the plastic anyways. But that's where the original plug is, on the driver's side rear panel, hiding in the corner.